Hey, dear friends. Welcome to my new tutorial. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to set a picture on your Android phone's keyboard. If you're ready, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open the Google Play Store app. After that, in the search bar, type Gboard. Now, you need to install this app if you don't already have it on your phone. If you don't have it, click on Install and wait a few seconds for the download to finish. After that, enter the Gboard app. Once you've done that, you now need to enable settings. Click on the Enable in Settings option. Now, click to turn on the Gboard option, then click OK. Next step is to click on the Select Input Method option. Now select a Gboard, and then click Done. Here, you'll see various options. Look for the theme option and click on it. By scrolling down, you can see different backgrounds that you can download. If you already have a chosen image in your gallery, scroll up and click on the plus sign. Now choose the image you want to set. You can now see a frame representing the size of your keyboard. Pinch to zoom in on your picture and drag to move it. When you're done, click Next. Now, you can adjust the brightness to your liking. When you're finished adjusting, click Done. To see your picture better in the keyboard background, click on Key Borders. Then click Apply. Your picture is now set on your Android phone's keyboard. Now, try typing and you'll see the picture on the keyboard. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to press like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. See you soon.